Introducing the Thermal R&D Catback Exhaust System for the Can-Am Spyder RT. Thermal R&D spent months tuning this system to strike the perfect balance, delivering a deeper, more refined sound that works on long rides, not just short pulls. At the core of the system is a straight-through, sound-absorbing performance muffler built with continuous strand, high-temperature fiberglass packing to control tone and minimize resonance over time. The system features 2-inch exhaust tubing paired with a 2-inch muffler core for smooth, efficient exhaust flow. It's fully stainless steel and ceramic coated to significantly reduce heat and features textured powder-coated heat shields for durability and a clean, finished look. It's also 6 pounds lighter than the stock exhaust. And since the system is a direct OE replacement, installation is quick and straightforward, utilizing the factory mounting points. Now let's get started with the install on our Shop 2024 Spyder RT Limited. Before you begin, make sure your Spyder is on level ground, with the ignition off and the parking brake engaged. Allow your exhaust adequate time to cool before starting this installation. Start by loosening the exhaust hanger bolt located here, using a 15mm wrench on the backside and a 15mm socket with ratchet and extension on the front. Do not fully remove the nut at this time. The nut will remain in place until the muffler is removed. Next, move underneath the Spyder and loosen the exhaust clamp using a 13mm socket and ratchet. Once the clamp is loose enough, you can slide it over towards the center of the bike. Support the stock muffler by hand. Then, remove the nut from the mounting bolt and set it aside for reuse. Then carefully remove the muffler from the vehicle. Position the new thermal exhaust onto the mounting bolt and thread the nut on finger tight, leaving enough room for adjustment and alignment. Align the thermal exhaust pipe with the factory exhaust flange. Properly position the clamp and begin to tighten down gradually while adjusting the exhaust for proper alignment. Then tighten it down to the manufacturer's recommended torque spec. Lastly, torque the exhaust hanger bolt to spec. If the stock exhaust note doesn't put a smile on your face, head over to SlingMods.com today to grab a Thermal R&D Exhaust system for your Spyder RT. And feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on 3 wheels. We'll see you out on the road.